Hi friend, in Vindhyasini Tiwari classes. Today we are going to learn about contracted methods of multiplication. In this friend we are going to know about standard form. What is standard form? This means expressing the multiplicand and divisor in such a way that we have only one significant figure before the decimal point and making the corresponding change in multiplicand and divisor. So friend, we are going to discuss the rules of standard form. In case of multiplication, in case of multiplication, multiplicand and multiplier both come in the same direction. It is known as rule 63. And we are going to discuss one example: 0.056678 into 234.647. In this case friend, multiplier increase and multiplicand decrease. In all the case, first we are going to focus on multiplier, not multiplicand, remember. In this friend, first we will write this 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 7. In this friend, we will only take one number before decimal point. So friend, in this case 2 number means we are giving the gap only 2 number. हम सिर्फ 2 number को छोड़ के यहाँ पे दे रहे हैं. We should remember this. So friend, in this case also, we are increasing 2 number, and in this case we will decrease 2 number. Similarly, if in this case we are increasing 3 number, then in this case also we have to decrease 3 number. So friends, similarly we are going to decrease 2 number. 0.056678. See friend, 0.056678. We have increased 2 number. So in this case also we will decrease 2 number by decimal point. So friend, 0 is already there. We are taking point over here. So 0.6678. So friend, this is the first rule, and the second rule we are going to discuss. So friend, second rule is known as rule 36. In this case, multiplicand and into multiply. In this case, their multiplicand and multiplier move opposite direction. In first case friend, we are seeing that multiplier increases, but in this case friend, we will see that multiplier will decrease and multiplicand will increase. See friend, point 7.893. See friend, in this case we have to consider only one number before decimal point. In this case also 0 doesn't care. 7.893 means friend, we have crossed 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. We have decreased 3 number. So in this case we have, in multiplicand we have to increase 3 number. See friend, in this point is over here 92,678.89. So friend, we are going to increase 3 number. So it becomes 92.67889. So friend, in every case we have to see the different. So friend, we have discussed in case of multiplication. Now friend, we are going to discuss in case of division. In case of division friend, dividend and divisor both move in right direction. So see friend, in this case this will decrease, means in this case dividend will decrease, dividend will also decrease and divisor will also decrease. In the both case they both will decrease and move in right direction, and this rule and it is called rule 66. So first friend, we have to see divisor. We are moving 3 numbers. See friend, we have to consider number, not 0. So friend, it becomes 0.056679. See friend, how much number we have crossed? 1, 2, 3. So friend, we are going to decrease 3 number from this side also. It becomes 6, 3, 8, 9.46. We have decreased, in this case also we have decreased 3 numbers and with decimal point, and this also in this case also we have decreased 3 decimal points. So friend, now in second case, dividend and divisor. So friend, this is rule 33. In this case friend, both dividend and divisor are increasing. In first case friend, we have noticed that dividend and divisor both are decreasing, but in this case dividend and divider both are increasing. So friend, first we'll focus in divisor. So it is our divisor. Question 0.5 divide 36.895. So friend, in this case we will take only one decimal point. It becomes 3.6895. So friend, in this case we have take only one decimal point. We have increased one decimal point, so in this case also we will increase one decimal point. It becomes 0.05. So friend, we have discussed the exercise 2a of contracted methods of multiplication. So friend, for next exercise and next video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.